Introduction.
Dad, you look very happy. What is the matter?
Anup, our Chief Minister is visiting our office tomorrow.
What for, Dad?
In recognition of our contribution to the Chief Minister's Flood Relief Fund.
Wow, that's great. By the way, how much amount did your office contribute?
1 crore. Can you believe that, Anup?
That's indeed a lot of money, Dad.
In this lesson, you will learn about large numbers. Raman is watching the reality show Kaun Banega Crorepati. The contestant on the hot seats wins 1 crore rupees. The host signs and hands him over a check containing lots of zeros. Raman is eager to know the exact number of zeros in 1 crore. Let us look at the largest 7-digit number that you learnt in class 4. It is 9 written 7 times. It is read as 99,99,999. Now add 1 to the number. What do you get? 1 followed by 7 zeros. This number is known as 1 crore. It is the first 8-digit number. 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. It is 1 more than 99,99,999. Therefore, 1 crore is the successor of the largest 7-digit number. In other words, the largest 7-digit number is the predecessor of the smallest 8-digit number. The largest 8-digit number has 8 nines in it. Add 1 to it. What do you get? 1 followed by 8 zeros. This number is known as 10 crores. It is the first 9-digit number. 10 crores is the smallest 9-digit number. It is 1 more than the largest 8-digit number. Therefore, 10 crores is the successor of the largest 8-digit number. In other words, the largest 8-digit number is the predecessor of the smallest 9-digit number. Representation of numbers. Let us now represent 8 and 9-digit numbers using Indian System of Numeration, International System of Numeration. Let's learn more about number systems in our next screens. Indian System of Numeration. The Indian System of Numeration divides the digits of a number into 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Let us see how. Consider the number 432756819. We count 3 digits from the right and place a comma before 8. Then we count 2 more digits and place a comma before 5. We count 2 more digits and place a comma before 2. Thus, we have 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. This is the Indian place value chart. Now let us read the number from left. It is 43 crore 27 lakh 56,819. Let us look at the Indian place value chart in detail. The ones group has 3 digits: 9, 1, and 8. Each of these digits has a specific place. They are ones, tens, and hundreds. Similarly, the thousands group has two digits, 6 and 5. Their places are thousands and 10,000s. The lakhs group has the two digits 7 and 2. Their places are lakhs and 10 lakhs. The last group of crores also has two digits 3 and 4. Their places are crores and 10 crores. Every digit in a number has a face value and a place value. The face value of a digit is the digit itself, irrespective of its location in a number. The place value of a digit is the value it derives from its place in the number. The place value chart makes it easy to read a number. Let us see how. Consider the number 405320140. First, we arrange it in the place International System of Numeration. The International System of Numeration divides the digits of a number into three groups: ones, thousands, and millions. Let us see how. Consider the number 432756819. We count three digits from the right and place a comma before 8. Then we count three more digits and place a comma before 7. Thus, we have three groups: ones, thousands, and millions. This is the International Place Value Chart. Now, let us read the number from left. It is 432,756,819. Let us look at the International Place Value Chart in detail. The ones group has three digits 9, 1, and 8. Each of these digits has a specific place. They are ones, tens, and hundreds. Similarly, the thousands group has three digits 6, 5, and 7. Their places are thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. The millions group has the three digits 2, 3, and 4. Their places are millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Let us now arrange 8 and 9-digit numbers in ascending order and descending order. Let us now arrange numbers in ascending order. Arrangement of numbers in the increasing order is called ascending order. Consider these numbers. Count the digits in each number. The first and the last have 9 digits. The rest have 8 digits. Since we are arranging the numbers in ascending order, 8-digit numbers will come first, followed by 9-digit numbers. Now consider the 8-digit numbers. The first two begins with digit 3. Their second digits are 7 and 2. 7 is greater than 2. Therefore, 37189,043 is greater than 324,578,96. Interchange the numbers. The third 8-digit number begins with 4. 4 is greater than the first digit 3 of 371,890,43. Therefore, 489,763,21 is the largest 8-digit number. It appears after the other two 8-digit numbers. Now compare 327154, 391 and 54321 8976. Their first digits are 3 and 5, and 3 is lesser than 5. So, 3271 54391 should come first, followed by 54321 8976. They are in the correct order. Therefore, the ascending order of numbers is this: 3245 7896, 37189 043, 4897 6321, 3271 54391, 543 218976. Let us now arrange numbers in descending order. Arrangement of numbers in the decreasing order is called the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Let us now look at Roman numerals. 7 symbols are used to form Roman numerals. They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. They correspond to the Hindu-Arabic numerals 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Let us first list the rules of the Roman system. Number 1. Symbols are repeated to denote addition. Number 2. Symbols can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. Number 3. Symbol V, L and D cannot be repeated. Number 4. Smaller numerals on the left is subtracted from the larger numeral on its immediate right. Number 5. Smaller numeral on the right is added to the larger numeral on its immediate left. Number 6. Smaller numeral between two larger numerals is subtracted from the one on its immediate right.
Let us solve examples on Roman numerals. Write the Roman equivalent of 57. L represents 50, V represents 5, double I represents 1 plus 1, that is 2. Therefore, 57 is equal to L, V, I. Next example is write the Roman equivalent of 369. C represents 100. C represents 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. L represents 50. X represents 10. Lx represents 50 plus 10, that is 60. Ix represents 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Therefore, 369 is equal to C L X I X.